Welcome back to Quick Review Zone. Here we explore the smartest and most innovative gadgets from Amazon and AliExpress. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our tech reviews and budget-friendly finds. You'll find the link in the description. Available on both Amazon and AliExpress. Today we're looking at the HITWAY 16-inch folding electric bike, a perfect mix of portability, style, and performance. This e-bike is built with a durable magnesium alloy frame, available in sleek, black, and green, or black and gray designs. Despite its compact folding size, it delivers powerful performance thanks to its 250-watt motor and 36-volt lithium battery. You can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, with a riding range between 35 and 70 kilometers on a single charge, depending on your riding style. That means it's perfect for daily commutes, city rides, or weekend adventures. It also supports riders up to 120 kilograms and can handle inclines of up to 25 degrees, making it versatile for different terrains. If you want an eco-friendly, stylish, and practical way to move around, the HITWAY Folding e-bike is a fantastic choice. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing tech here on Quick Review Zone.